Anong meron sa tindahan ng ating vlogger?
Meron.
Anong meron?
Marami
Paano
rito.
mabenta? Paano
Ano ba gusto
mabibenta
nyo?
yan?
May mani.
Ay,
Masarap to mga kaibigan.
Almonds yan.
Meron ding yakot. Kung gusto nyo.
May sardinas.
Oo.
Basahin mo.
Bugas.
May bigas.
Hindi, basahin mo.
Hindi bigas yan.
Basahin mo.
I wanna grow old with you. Let time paint our hair with silver hue. In every sunset, we'll lean on each other, recalling the corners of the world we cover. I wanna grow old with you. Our love symbols through and through. We'll share moments, we'll write our song. We'll let this love last till the world.
Hi guys! Tara at lakbayin natin ang kabundukan ng San Mateo Mountain View. Dito lang yan sa Bulacan. Malapitan muna tayo guys at nag-uulan. Pantanggal stress lang natin. Alam nyong Bulacan, ayan o, baha. Apat na motor lang tayo guys at yung iba ay hindi pumupwede ngayong araw na ito. So, walong riders aakyat dito sa bundok ng San Mateo. Let's go!
San Mateo Mountain View.
tayo. Sana, pwedeng gumana.
Barunday! 500 per head.
Mga riders.
Akin na yung utang na.
Ay, KKB? KKB pala yon? Ako din bayaran mo din.
Grabe, aday mo pa kayo. Kabayan na lang.
Yan.
Ang lilit na. Bang dapat sinulit na. Dapat ganun na oh.
Yun. Okay na. Guys, nandito tayo sa isang campsite sa San Mateo Mountain View. Mountain View. So, tanaw natin ang view ng bundok. At may sea of clouds pa. Ganda. Ito naman ay ang 100 steps. Meron silang CR. At ito yung kanilang view deck. Okay, akyat tayo. Tignan natin ang campsite nila. Akyat ng hagdan. May model. May model na kasalubong. Ito ang view. Ganda. Uy.
Hi guys. Dito tayo sa San Mateo Mountain View. Ito ang ating campsite. So, nagsiset up tayo ng tent with sunset. Ganda ng sunset. Kasama natin ang Dekada Riders. Ito yung campsite niya.
Yan. Okay na?
Oh. Ayan, naka-vlog ka ah.
Naka-vlog.
Nasa Espinita. Hello guys, ito yung tent na walang view. Ang pinto niya nakatapat dito sa TP House. Ang kabilang side naman ay nasa loob. Ano kaya ang view neto? Napakahusay ng nakaisip neto guys. Kakaiba. Kaya guys, huwag tayo masyado malapit sa mga damuhan at mga puno. Doon tayo sa maluwag at maliwanag. Parang ang tagal-tagal magpalit ng balat ng ahas. Ganun pala yun. Ito yung aming tent. Anong meron sa tindahan ng ating vlogger?
Meron.
Anong meron? Nasa liblib.
Paano ba bibenta yan?
May mani.
Ay,
Masarap to mga kaibigan.
Almonds yan.
Meron ding Yakult. Kung saan yan.
Sardinas. Sardinas.
Oo.
Basahin mo.
Bugas.
May bigas.
Hindi, basahin mo.
Hindi bigas siya.
Basahin mo.
Kaya Rocky. Ewan ko.
Sabi ko na eh. Bagong-bago.
Bagong-bago.
Talagang hindi. Talagang hindi papano.
Ang laki ah.
Baka naman yan, King Serban.
Uy, promote mo yan. Baka naman.
Baka naman. Dali,
Karing.
bakit mo?
May saranga natin.
Na-expose ka na, Karomi.
Kompleto.
Good morning guys. Napakalamig. Sobrang ayan na. Tumutulo ang tubig.
All of my life, I've been waiting for. Baby, I've been waiting. You came to my life, fill my days with love.
ulap. Sea of Clouds. Yung Mount Arayat. Ayan siya. Nakakita na siya.
I want in my life is always be with you, babe. Want my whole life with you, together for forevermore. Your love makes me strong, going through ups and downs. Baby, we can face it. All I want in my life is always be with you, babe. Want my whole life with you, together for forevermore. Let's keep these promises. Ooh, baby, do you know what that's worth? Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. They say in heaven, love comes first. We'll make heaven a place on earth. Ooh, heaven is a place on earth. When the night falls down, I wait for you and you come around, and the world's alive with the sound of kids on the street outside. When you walk into the room, you pull me close and we start to move, and we're spinning with the stars above, and you lift me up in a wave of love. I want to cross an empty land. I need a pathway like the back of my hand. I felt the air beneath my feet, sat by the river and it oh, so pretty. Where have you gone? I'm getting older, but it's something to like. So tell me why. I'm getting tired.
Andi Poe. Batu tua punya dong. Guys, pack up na tayo at tayo naman ay pupunta sa Bitbit River. So, pababa na tayo niyan sa campsite. Ang entrance pala dito guys, ang day tour is 10 pesos lang. Yes guys, 10 pesos ay makakapasyal lang kayo dito sa San Mateo Mountain View. Ang overnight naman nila is 100 each. Free na ang tent pitching kung may dala kayong tent. Meron din naman silang mga cottages pero wala namang bayad yon. So, napakamura niya. Meron silang CR. Magbibigay lang kayo ng kaunting donation. At yak naman na makikita nyo yon. Kasi paglabas nyo, sigurado sa pool, untog kayo.
tiramisu.
Ang chef namin today.
Mga tiramisu.
Ulam namin dami Fiesta.
Sinenda din. Lugaw yan ngayon.
Sardinas, isang tawa. Sinaing naman. Okra. Doon sa kanila.
Woke up today
Guys,
and I felt the
ayan,
sun.
tumatawid ang mga tikada rider.
Every day with you just feels
Kulay.
like fun.
Kulay kape na. Ang tubig at dahil
By
ng
the
ulan.
bay, all these moments I wish would stay. You and me side by side,
Naglalakbay.
laughter and love in this time. Under stars we make our dreams. Nothing's ever as it seems. Together with you, life feels so true. Just me and you, in skies of blue. Morning light, your eyes so bright. Gentle breeze on this perfect night. Smile so wide, gives me a lift. Every moment feels like a gift.
Lakad lang lakad.
Facing a world that feels so vast. All our troubles, they just pass. Love so deep, it soothes the soul. With you, my heart feels whole. Together with you, life feels so true. Just me and you, in skies of blue. Morning light, your eyes so bright. Gentle breeze on this perfect night. Smile so wide, gives me a lift. Every moment feels like a gift. Facing a world that feels so vast. All our troubles, they just pass. Love so deep, it soothes the soul. With you, my heart feels whole. Together with you, life feels so true. Just me and you, in skies of blue. Woke up today and I felt the sun. Every day with you just feels like fun. Holding hands, walking by the bay. All these moments I wish would stay. You and me side by side. Laughter and love in this time. Under stars we make our dreams. Nothing's ever as it seems. Together with you, life feels so true. Just me and you, in skies of blue. Morning light, your eyes so bright. Gentle breeze on this perfect night. Smile so wide, gives me a lift. Every moment feels like a gift. Facing a world that feels so vast.
Guys, pauwi na tayo niyan. Umulan kaya medyo matulas na ang daan. Hanggang sa susunod uli natin adventure.